Okay, we're going to be translating algebraic phrases in word phrases into algebraic expressions. Okay, these are one variable equalities, and you will have a graphic organizer with key words that you will get on paper in class. So that's not going to be up here in this presentation, just the examples are, and we will go over that in class. Okay, 4 times a number, 4 times a number divided by 8. The product, which means to multiply, this means to multiply, divided by, we usually write as a fraction. But the product of 4 and a number, 4 and a number, we write multiplication that way, 4 with an 4 and x side by side. The product of a number and 3, so the product means multiply again, a number, that's our variable, and that lets me know where the product is going, 3. So the product of a number and 3 is the same as, that means equal, the sum of that number and 6. So sum means to add of that number and 6. 5 times, again, that's multiply. And what am I multiplying? Now, this is a parentheses expression. The sum means add of a number and 6. Now, this is a prepositional phrase of, which indicates parentheses. So what am I summing? I'm summing a number and 6. So a number and 6 is means equals to 48. 6 less than, this is a turnaround phrase, okay? So 6 less than, what am I less thanning it? Less than means to subtract the product of 4 and a number. So product means multiply of 4 and a number minus 6. This is a turnaround phrase, meaning that I'm taking 6 from 4x. 5 times the difference of, what am I, now look, see how I've got multiply, then I've got subtract. That lets me know that there is parentheses coming. Difference of, that's my prepositional phrase, a number, and 10. So 5 times the difference of a number and 10. The total value of quarters and dimes in a piggy bank. Now, I don't know how many quarters I have. I don't know how many dimes I have. This one has 2 variables. Everything we've been doing up to this point only had 1 variable, but this has got 2. So quarters and dimes, and I'm adding because it says the total value is $11.40. All right, you have 26 markers and crayons. Markers, crayons, I've got 26 of them. I'm going to go back and do this one. How much is a quarter worth? It's worth 25 cents. So 0.25 times the number of quarters, and 0.10 times the number of dimes is $11.40. Had they just said that I had quarters and dimes and asked me for the total and said I had 25 quarters and dimes, then I'd have just said x plus y equals 25. But because I have money here, I needed to insert the value of the quarters and the dimes for this one. All right, and this one, you spent $50 at the grocery store on apples and oranges. Apples cost $5 and oranges cost $10. So 5 times the number of apples plus 10 times the number of oranges is my total of $50. Okay, your total phone bill is an initial cost. Now, this is giving me initial cost. That means that this is going to be in the format of y equals mx plus b, because I've got a starting point. So that's my y-intercept. And then however much it is per minute or per whatever would be my slope, my m. So this one's going to be y equals the initial cost of 75 and then $2 for each minute. One variable inequalities. A number is no less than 10. Some number is no less. Does that mean that it's more than 10? I know it's weird to say no less than, but you're going to have that graphic organizer that has those phrases on it and what they mean. But a number is no less than 10. That means that it is greater than or equal to 10. Its value is more than 10. A number is less than or equal to 8. That one just says it exactly like it means. A number is at most 45. If it's at most 45, that means 45 is the biggest. That means that it's less than or equal to. And then a number is no more than, again, that means less than or equal to 26. A fair is selling adult and child tickets. They can only sell up to 80 total tickets. Now, we don't have an amount here, no money. We just know we have 80 total tickets. An adult plus children, or X plus Y, is 80. So you can say A plus C or X plus Y. Maureen is selling handmade toys in an online craft boutique. She hopes to earn at least $200. Does that mean she wants more than 200 or less than 200? By selling toy cars for that's supposed to say dollars, sorry about the typo, for $5 each, and toy trucks for $14 each. So 5 times the number of cars plus 14 times the number of trucks is at least 200. She wants to make 200 or more. Thank you.